Welcome to another video. The question says find f of x in the functional equation above. We start by uh we'll let u equals to x minus 1 divided by x, and by cross multiplying here to make x the subject of the formula, we have ux equals to x minus 1. And here I will do the collection of the lectins and make x the subject of the formula. Here we have x minus ux equals to 1. And by doing this, I can take out x, then we are left with 1 minus u, and everything equals to, all right, this is u, not x, equals to 1. And by dividing through by 1 minus u, then we are going to have these two cancelled, and x equals to 1 divided by 1 minus u. If I start this and let's recall back to equation 1, okay, let me name it to be equation 1, and anywhere we see x, I replace it with 1 divided by 1 minus u. And here we have f of 1 divided by 1 minus u plus f of x equals to 1 plus 1 divided by 1 minus u. This x above should be u since I have let it already. Then I want to replace anywhere you see u, I want to replace it with x. Then we have, from this we have f of 1 divided by 1 minus x, then plus f of x equals to 1 plus 1 divided by 1 minus x. If this one is equation 2, then from this same equation 2, I will let again u equals to 1 divided by 1 minus x. The reason is anything I got here, I will put it in equation 1 to form equation 3. Then we have u bracket 1 minus x equals to 1. And by dividing both sides by u here, we are going to have 1 minus x equals to 1 divided by u. And by making x the subject, and we are going to have 1 minus 1 divided by u, everything equals to x. And finally, x equals to u minus 1 divided by u by taking the LCM. If I start this one in 2 times, I give you 2 star, and put this star star into equation 1. That is, anywhere we have x, I will replace it with u minus 1 and divided by u. Then we have f of u minus 1 divided by u plus f of, but here in equation 1, I'm having 2x, which means anywhere we have x, I'm replacing it with u minus 1 divided by u. Then the first one, which is x, is u minus 1 divided by u, then minus 1 divided by u minus 1 divided by u, and everything equals to 1 plus, so we're having x above in equation 1, so we place it, that is u minus 1 divided by u. And for this one, we have f of u minus 1 divided by u plus f of, if I find the LCM from this, u will multiply minus 1, then we have u minus 1 minus u, then divided by u. Everything divided by u minus 1 divided by u. Bracket everything equals to 1 plus u minus 1 divided by u. And if these two you cancelled, so if you're applying the law of reciprocal, and minus u plus u also cancelled, then we have f of u minus 1 divided by u, plus we are left with f of minus 1 above divided by u minus 1. If you bracket this, everything equals to 1 plus u minus 1 divided by u. From here, if I take negative down, and the position of u and 1 will also change. We have f of u minus 1 divided by u, plus f of then 1 divided by 1 minus u. Suppose negative come down, then everything equals to u minus 1 divided by u. And at this stage as well, I'm going to replace u with x. That is, anywhere we have u there, we replace it with x. Then we have f of x minus, alright, f of x minus 1 divided by x, plus f of, okay, plus f of 1 divided by 1 minus x equals to 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x. And if this one is equation 3, okay, I've made 3 different equations, and the next thing I'm going to do is to sum everything together. That is, I will add equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. The reason why I do this is there are some similarities between them, and I want to put everything together. And from this equation 1, we have this, which means I'm going to write it first, and we add left hand side separate, right hand side separate. So here we have f of x plus f of, I'm still referring to equation 1, f of x minus 1 divided by x. Then plus the equations 2x is this as f of this. There I'm going to write it as f of 1 divided by 1 minus x, and plus f of x, followed by equation 3. Adding the left hand side first, plus the equation 3 is f of x minus 1 divided by x, and plus the other. So let's see the first one, f of x minus 1 divided by x, bracket, plus f of 1 divided by 1 minus x equals to, all the left hand side have been added, then the right hand side will be 1 plus x from equation 1, plus equation 2 is 1 minus 1 plus rather divided by 1 minus x, plus while the equation 3 is 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x. Okay, from these equations we have f of x twice, which means that one is 2f of x, and f of x minus 1 divided by x is also appearing twice. We have it as 2f of x minus 1 divided by x. While the last one is also appearing twice, which is f of 1 divided by 1 minus x. Then we also add it as 2f bracket 1 divided by 1 minus x. Everything equals to, for this we're having 1 in 3 times, and we add everything together, that is 3, plus we're having x separate and nothing again, we add it, plus then 1 over x, 1 divided by 1 minus x separate, plus x minus 1 divided by x separate. Okay, I want to take 2 out and divide it. Then we have f of x plus f of x minus 1 divided by x, plus f of 1 divided by 1 minus x equals to, by dividing 2 by 2 here, we have 1 over 2, then we create a bracket and we put this thing, then 3 plus x plus 1 divided by 1 minus x, and plus x minus 1 divided by x. If I bracket these two, just to avoid confusion, then we start this as equation 4. Alright, at this stage, from equation 3 and this equation 4, there is something common to them. And by subtracting these 3 from 4, we have the result, which is f of x. That is, we have to subtract equation 3 from 4. That is, equation 4 is f of x plus f of x minus 1 divided by x plus f of 1 divided by 1 minus x minus y for the equation 3 is giving us f of x minus 1 divided by x minus f of 1 divided by 1 minus x equals to y for the right hand side of equation 4 is 1 divided by 2 bracket 3 plus x plus bracket 1 divided by 1 minus x bracket plus bracket x minus 1 divided by x bracket. If you give a larger bracket, then minus what you have in equation 3 at the right hand side uh, is this as 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x. Something has been negate each other in this. F of x minus 1 will cancel, all this will also cancelled. And here we have f of x separate equals to, while other side here we have 1 divided by 2 bracket 3 plus x, then plus bracket 1 divided by 1 minus x plus, and for here we have x minus 1 divided by x bracket, everything bracket, and minus bracket 1 plus bracket x minus 1 divided by x bracket. And here is the result for f of x. If you like, you can simplify this further, but since we have made only f of x the subject here and nothing attached to it, I hope you like this video, and don't forget the steps I used. Subscribe to my channel and never stop learning. Those who stop learning, stop living. Bye bye.